How do people do this? This is perfect! Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. We are in my car. Well, not my car, my parents' car. We are not driving because I don't have my license yet, so we can't be driving. When I get my license, we will be doing drive with me's every single day. You already know. In today's video, I just thought it would be nice if I showed you my current playlist again, because lately my playlist has been changing a lot actually. We're just gonna listen to my music.
I'm the boy and you're the phone. Don't see you. I will order my heart if only you could fill this empty space. Only you could fill this empty space. I miss you, pushing me close to the edge. I miss you. I want you to rule my life, you to rule my life, you to rule my life, yeah. I want you to bring it all on. If you make it all wrong, let it make it all right, yeah. I want you to rule my life, you to rule my life, you to rule my life. Some days, things just take way too much of my energy. I look up and the whole room's spinning. You tell me every time, just keep breathing, breathing, and breathing. Keep on breathing. I do what you're thinking, words don't come that easy. We can't help how I'm feeling, scared of my heart rate. Another way to keep us safe, and not easier to run away, run away, run away than to know what to say. Say a little while. When I taste tequila, baby, I still see you. High in Colorado, lips pressed against. When we hit the bottom, nothing goes up. Right to the top of you. They don't speak our language. They say we're too savage. Yeah, no, no, we don't give up anymore. We're gonna ride till we fall. All it takes is one flight. We be in the same time zone. Looking through your timeline, seeing all the rainbows. I was thinking I could fly to your hotel tonight, 'cause I can't get you off my mind. Can't get you off my mind. Can't get you off my mind. I'm a couple hundred miles from Japan and I was thinking I could fly to your hotel tonight, 'cause I can't get you off my mind. Can't get you off my mind. Can't get you off my mind. Till you got plans tonight. I can't get lost in your paradise. The words you told me, love me till the day I die. Pushing you, pushing up, pulling away from you. I give it, I give it, I give it, you take, giving you take. Young blood, so you want me, so you want me. I is that, and I'm just a dead man walking tonight.
Usually I try to not play that many songs of like the same artist. For some reason I really want to end this video with 2 Shawn Mendes songs right now, because these songs are just so great to listen to in the car.
I want you close to me. I want you close, I want you closer. But when you're here with me,
can I? Oh my god, why did I do that? I don't know.
You say you want all of me today, but tomorrow's not the same. My feelings never change. What do you want from me? What do you want? I need to know if this is mutual before I go and get way too involved. But half of you's not enough for me.
So the last song I want to play today was actually also in my last current playlist video, I think. But I've been really loving this song lately, and the reason why I love that so much is because when I first heard this song I didn't like it, and now I really do. Like, it's actually a really good song.
I saw you on a Sunday in a cafe, and all you did was look my way. Then my hand started to shake. I heard you asked about me through a friend, and my adrenaline kicked in. 'Cause I've been asking about you too. I get a little bit nervous around you. Get a little bit stressed out. When I think about you, get a little excited. Baby, when I think about you, yeah. I just talk a little too much, yeah. Get a little self-conscious, get a little self-conscious.
There's someone coming. And he's coming here. That was so awkward. Someone had to drop something and I was like walking towards the door and I was like sitting here like hopefully he doesn't see me. How do I explain to someone that I'm filming in my car without actually driving? That's kind of weird. That was it because I don't want to have more awkward things like this. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I hope you liked it. Give this video a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel down below if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!